Google File Stream is a downloadable Google app that links the files from your Google Drive account to the files on your computer, freeing up disk space and network bandwidth. This means that you have access to edit your files without having to open your Google Drive through your Explorer. To download this application on your computer or laptop, go to your Google Drive. In the top right corner, you will see a Settings gear icon. Click this. Then select Get Drive for Desktop. A new tab will appear where you can select the Download and Install Drive File Stream dropdown, and follow the instructions on the page for your respective device. Then follow the instructions from the installer to finish the setup and sign in. Once you've signed into your FileStream application, you can open your files from here. You will see that there are a few different icons on the bottom of the file or to the right of the file. These indicate where the file is saved, as well as if the document is shared. The white and blue cloud icon means that the document is saved only online to the cloud. A green circle with a check mark in it, however, means that the document is saved both online to the cloud and locally on your PC, allowing you to work offline if needed. Further, the person icon means that this is a shared document, so if you work offline, once you reconnect to the internet, the most recent version of the document will be shared. That's all there is to know about Drive File Stream, but if you have any further questions, feel free to contact the help desk.